dito na mo sa mga diyan. Ang bitunon mo diri, yung biton, ang magkakaligoro mo ka. Dito ko magtataw diri.
Volcano.
Yeah, I like volcanoes.
Mayong hapon, everybody. Welcome back to the beach house. We are making some changes. We got a kitchen going on, outdoor kitchen, and in the Philippines they call it a dirty kitchen. So my brother-in-law Oliver, he is doing all the work. This is about 12 days in, and getting ready to do the countertops. He's building the forms. So we drew up a plan here, and he keeps it with him. This is basically our design, but it's kind of what we're looking for. Not really an architect or an engineer, but I'd say it's pretty close to the drawing. So we're gonna have a barbecue grill here, and then this is gonna be the countertop. This is where the gas propane is going to sit, and then we're going to have a stovetop up here. The sink is going to go over here. So yeah, coming along. And then the roof is native Nipa, and I'll let you know the budget for this at the end of the video once we're all complete.
Nabit? Sakto ko debit kay magana o ba?
update on the kitchen. So this wall has been built, and then we're gonna have Hawaiian up here, bamboo, and then we're gonna have a decorative hollow block here for the smoke from the grill. This is our grill. And then the kitchen, we'll have one row of decorative here. Added a rack for a shelf here. So, yeah, coming along. It's our decorative hollow block coming in.
Yeah.
We had to wait a few days for this to be made, but basically this design is going right up here and on the top row here. So hey guys, thanks for watching this part of the kitchen being built. Next we're moving on to the barbecue, so stay tuned. I believe that's going to be episode 16. So the next episode should be the barbecue build. We're going to finish that up. Right now we got some forms going in. This is part of the barbecue that we had built, but you will see it in the next episode. So if you want to stick around and watch that video, stay tuned. So that's the first part of the kitchen, and we're going to build an island here, and then eventually a CR, restroom right here. So keep watching, and thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Stay safe, stay virus free. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. You know, you just can't get enough of these sunsets. Just another beautiful night here at the beach house.